Do you love creating art digitally? Do you dream of turning your passion into a paycheck? Good news, you can. Many artists are already doing it. They are making money doing what they love. It's called digital art commissions, and you can too. Imagine this, people pay you to create unique pieces of art. You get to work from anywhere, be your own boss, and set your own hours. No more soul-crushing day jobs, just you, your creativity, and the endless possibilities of digital art. This is the reality for many artists around the world. The internet has opened up a global marketplace for digital art. With the right approach, you can find your niche and start earning. It takes effort, dedication, and a sprinkle of business savvy. But it's totally achievable. So are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's dive in. Your portfolio is your online gallery. It's the first thing potential clients see. Make it count. A strong portfolio showcases your skills and style. It should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and represent the kind of work you want to get paid for. Start by selecting your best work. Choose pieces that demonstrate your range and technique. But remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have a few amazing pieces than a bunch of mediocre ones. Next, organize your portfolio in a way that makes sense. Use clear categories if you dabble in different styles. Make sure your contact information is easy to find. A potential client shouldn't have to hunt for it. Finally, keep your portfolio updated with your latest and greatest creations. A fresh portfolio shows that you're active and passionate about your craft. Treat it like your online art gallery and curate it with care. You've got the skills, you've built a killer portfolio. Now it's time to shout it from the digital rooftops. Marketing your art is key to finding clients and getting commissions. Luckily, there are tons of free and affordable ways to do it. Social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok are teeming with potential clients. Share your work regularly, engage with other artists, and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Join online art communities. Websites like DeviantArt, ArtStation, and Behance are hubs for artists of all levels. Share your work, participate in challenges, and connect with other creatives. You never know who might stumble upon your masterpiece. Create your own website or online shop. This gives you a central hub to showcase your portfolio, testimonials, and commission information. Plus, it looks super professional. Remember, marketing is all about putting yourself out there. Don't be afraid to show off your talent. Section 4. Finding your patrons, connecting with clients. Finding clients is like dating. It takes time to find the perfect match. But with the right approach, you can attract clients who love your style and value your work. Start by networking. Reach out to other artists, potential clients, and businesses in your niche. Attend online and offline events to meet people in person. Building relationships is key. Offer freebies and discounts. Everyone loves a good deal. Offering a free sketch or a discount on the first commission can entice potential clients to give you a try. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, be professional and friendly, and always deliver high-quality work on time. Happy clients are more likely to come back for more. Remember, building a client base takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and always put your best foot forward. Section 5. The price is right. Valuing your artistic prowess. Pricing your art can feel tricky. You don't want to undervalue your skills, but you also don't want to scare away potential clients. Finding the sweet spot is crucial for a sustainable art business. Consider your time, skill level, and the complexity of the project. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Research what other artists in your niche are charging for similar work. Offer different pricing tiers. This gives clients options and allows you to cater to different budgets. For example, you could offer basic sketches, detailed illustrations, and full-blown digital paintings at different price points. Be transparent about your pricing. Clearly, outline your rates on your website or portfolio. This prevents any confusion or awkward conversations down the line. Remember, your pricing reflects the value you bring to the table. Don't be afraid to adjust your rates as your skills and experience grow. Section 6. Never stop creating growth and evolution in digital art. Congratulations, you're on your way to making money doing what you love. But the journey doesn't end there. The world of digital art is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to embrace lifelong learning. Experiment with new techniques and software. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. The more you learn, the more versatile you become as an artist. Seek feedback from other artists and mentors. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and push your skills to the next level. Stay inspired. Follow your favorite artists, attend workshops, and never stop exploring the vast world of art. The more you feed your creative soul, the more you'll grow as an artist. Remember, the journey of an artist is one of continuous learning and growth. Embrace the process, stay curious, and never stop creating.